So it's probably not going to do it right now, but I'm going to take the e-brake off, and the light went off. But when I was driving here, that brake light, if you see that flashing like it is right now, and the beeping, so that flashing brake light and the beeping means that you're low on brake fluid or there's a problem with the ABS. So right now the e-brake's up, it's still flashing. So we'll shut the car off here. It's easy on this car, you can just move the air filter out of the way. Look in your brake fluid. You probably can't see the level with the cell phone camera. So the way I do is I stick the bottle down past the strut tower brace and then do the pour from in here. Okay, we're up at the maximum now, so we'll put the cap back on and good to go. So we know that sensor works. Our air filter back there where it belongs, that broke off. It's supposed to be attached. It's